What's up, everybody? Today I've got the Mobula 7 HD. Now, this is different than the original Mobula 7 in that it has a Caddx Turtle HD camera inside. That means that you can get a video feed of your FPV and record HD footage all in one camera. Stay tuned. Alright, so first, let's talk about how this Mobula 7 HD is different than the original Mobula 7. Now, my Mobula 7 is modified. I've got it on a different frame. I've got an XT30. I'm running different props, so it is a different looking quad, but all in all, it's still the same. This thing is great for flying indoors with a throttle modification on 2S or 1S. And it's fun to fly outside, and it's pretty quick and nimble and fast and fun to fly. This can do a lot of the same things, except it's a lot heavier. That means it's not going to be as acrobatic. It's not going to be as nimble. The big difference, like I said earlier, is this Caddx V2 camera and board inside. So it'll send you a standard FPV feed, which isn't the greatest, let's be honest, but the video that it records is much, much better than really any DVR footage you're going to get from something like this. So why would I want an HD whoop? Now, this isn't the first HD whoop that I've flown. I've flown quite a few. We've got my favorite, the URUAV 85. The first one I ever flew, the Beta FPV 85X, and the iFlight Cinewhooping. Now, these two are actually my favorite two of the group. This one, the Mobula 7 HD, a little bit different in terms of size. It's a little bit smaller. It's a 75 millimeter. This is an 85. It has smaller props and tighter prop guards. That means it's going to fly a little bit slower, a little bit more stable. This URUAV, I can do a little bit more acro with it. Now, this guy I can fly on 2 or 3S, same as this. And actually, these two, in terms of how they're put together, pretty much the same. They both have the same kind of motors. They're 1102 9000 kV motors, both of them. They both run Crazy Bee F4 flight controllers. They both have 5 amp ESCs, and they both have that Caddx Turtle camera, right? I wouldn't be surprised if Happy Model and URUAV are actually even the same company or owned by the same company because they are that similar. Now, this one, I was able to get a filter on a little bit easier, an ND filter, so kind of filter out a little bit of that jello. You can pick up an ND8 or an ND16. I like them both. But really, if you're looking for something a little bit smaller, that's where this HD Mobula 7 comes into play. Now, they've done a few different things since the release. Now, they were having some problems with ESCs burning out on the 10,000 kV motors, so they actually switched to 9,000 kV motors. In fact, if you have a 10,000 kV motor, Mobula 7 HD, they recommend you run it on a 75% throttle cut, and you should get similar performance, so they say. They've also added a capacitor here. That capacitor is also supposed to help with ESC burnout. Now, keep in mind, these HD quads aren't for everybody, right? If you want one of these things, then you're looking for something you can kind of fly around, get some smooth footage, do a few flips and rolls and things like that. But if you're looking for total performance, these aren't your deals, right? Really, anything with a duct is, and when I say duct, a ducted propeller, isn't going to give you the best performance. You want an open wheel or open prop quad, something like a toothpick. Now, I suspect soon we'll get HD toothpicks, and they're going to be small and light like these, but have better performance and perform a lot more like a 5-inch. Now, I had a lot of fun with my Mobula 7 HD, that is until I crashed it, and now I can't get this thing to arm. So that's on me after a pretty hard crash. Was doing a dive, as you see here, hit the concrete, flipped it up. I was able to get in the air, and then kaput. It stopped working on me. I get 2 tones and then nothing, right? I'm not getting all 4 of the ESC beeps. So, hey, if you can help me out and you know why that is, let me know and I'll see what I can do. But for now, this guy is out of commission. Is it a good drone? Yeah, I like it. It's a lot of fun, and I would recommend it. I'd actually probably prefer this one myself. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit more powerful, but if you need something to fit into tiny little niches that you can fly inside, Also, this might be your guy. Now, is it going to be as good as GoPro footage? No, but, you know, you can't strap a GoPro to one of these things to get HD quality footage. Is it better than DVR? Absolutely. So, hey, take a look at the Mobula 7 HD. It is a fun little quad. Hey, right now you can pick one of these up for about 160 bucks. Actually, Banggood's running a summer sale, and this guy is included in that summer sale. I'm going to be releasing videos in the next couple of days and weeks, kind of highlighting some of the things they've got on sale, as well as other RC stuff. Make sure you check it out on Banggood.com. I've got some links in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you check us out on halfchrome.com. Good luck and happy flying.